All right, first the turnaround. You know, there's this nice Buddy Holly style kind of thing that somebody did in the studio. All right, and I believe it might have been George Harrison on the 12th string. You can tell me in the comments below. Here's F, 5th fret, 8th fret, and then you play the D minor by dropping your ring finger right there at the 7th fret. And now I'm going to be dropping my middle finger there at the 6th fret for the B flat, and then the C7 you could play right here, 5, 7, 6, 7, or just hop down here to a C7. What you were trying to do is to keep this melody on top. And I accomplished that by doing some finger picking. I'll slow it down for you, give you a little better view of my right hand. Takes a bit of practice, but it's a nice thing to put in on the turnaround. Next, the C7 lick. What I'm doing over the C7 chord is I'm playing these harmonies of sixths, and they're not too hard to play. What you do is 4 and 3, 2 and 1, open and open, and then it sounds nice on a low G, 3 and 3, open, open, 2 and 1. When you put these together, you get a classic sound that you hear in Hawaiian music and blues. Nice thing to add over any C7 chord. You don't even need to use every one of the notes. And create your own orders of these notes. Of course, this kind of bonus stuff is what I offer each month at my Patreon page. I'm glad to share it with you here. I'm just glad you're hanging and making some music in the world. And finally, we get to the ending where I put this little harmony end, which is just what happens in the recording. There's a vocal harmony going on, ended on this fancy chord. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Just follow along, and don't worry if you're not on a low G tuning. It sounds great on high G as well. Okay, so you have strings 4 and 3. That's frets 3 and 2. Next, open and open on the 3rd and 2nd string. The next pair of notes is same 2 strings, frets 2 and 1, and then 4 and 3. Now watch this. This finger's going to slide back, and we're going to pick the top strings, okay? So this is 1 and open. And now that first finger hops down here. We play these 2, 3 and 1. And the last one, slide up that shape to 5 and 1. And then I end with this gorgeous F major 7 chord, 5, 5, open, open. I know that's a whole lot of info, so watch it a few times. Here it is. I hope you enjoy adding these little nuances, just hanging out with one of these licks is a great accomplishment, and you can use this anytime you're ending a song on the key of F. You can just play this. You could even play it in a slightly different rhythm. It's vocabulary that you can gain for your own playing. Are you still watching? Did you watch all the way to the end? If you did, drop a comment down below. Say end, or somehow let me know. I appreciate you hanging in this very high-paced world. Just it's almost revolutionary to sit down and just do one thing all the way to the end. That's the best way to learn music, to complete your circles. I appreciate you hanging with me. I hope music is making your day wonderful today. I look forward to seeing you in another video sometime soon. All the best to you and your family.